Included materials: A bars, B bar, C bars, D bars, E bars, L connectors, F and L hinged connector, H connector, T connector, hinged H connector, long T connector, T and L hinged connector, F connector, three-way 90-degree connectors, straight connectors, ceiling straps, sound blocking wall panels, roof panel, door panel, sound absorption panels, vibration canceling floor mats with sound block, and an LED light with power adapter. Lay out the parts. Once the parts have been laid out, begin connecting the bars to and through the various connectors. Note, for the sake of time, many shots will be sped up. If need be, please pause the video whenever additional time may be required. With the initial pieces of the door assembled, please move this out of the way temporarily until further notice. Slide the E bar through the FL hinged connector and the F connector. Then connect the two surrounding three-way 90-degree connectors. Use the same method on the other end when installing the E-bar through the TL hinged connector and T connector. Initially, push the D-bars past the lock pins as far as you can. It will make assembly of the frame easier, as will be shown later. Similarly, push the D and C bars past the lock pins as far as you can until connecting the top and bottom portions of the laid out frame. Continue assembling the rest of the frame, inserting the E-bars into the corner connectors as shown. Connect the four remaining three-way 90-degree connectors to the ends of the standing E-bars. Insert additional E-bars to the open ends of the three-way 90-degree connectors. Use the two straight connectors to connect the remaining pairs of E-bars to the remaining openings of the three-way connectors. Stand the frame upright. Then, bring the door frame piece back, connecting it to the main frame. This completes the frame assembly. Step 1. Place the decoupling mats under the frame. Step 2. Hang sound absorption panels on the frame. Also, make sure the panels are overlapping one another from the inside as shown. Step 3. Attach the roof support straps. Step 4. Install the wall panels. Also, when hanging each of the panels, make sure to raise the wall high enough so that the attached hooks will more easily latch onto the frame. Now, hang the door panel in a similar manner to the sound blocking panels, hanging the top hooks to the top horizontal bar of the frame. Each sound blocking panel has two flaps, internal and external. Make sure to attach the Velcro on the internal flap to the Velcro on the inside of the adjacent wall panel. This will help create a soundproofing seal for the booth. Unzip the door and begin latching the hooks and strapping the Velcro tie-ups from the door onto the door frame itself. Step 5. Install the roof panel. Note: have one person outside the booth align the roof panel with the wall panels while one person inside separates the Velcro so it doesn't get stuck. Step 6. Light. The light can be supported by the roof straps, and the cord can be fed under the panels and to the power outlet. Now, how well does it work?